guys, Carl here from KJD Photography. Hope you're all doing well. I just want to discuss one of the attachments that I found quite useful for the Godox 8300 Pro, and that was what they call the AD R14 reflector kit. Comes with the reflector, comes with a grid, and it comes with the gels and the little attachment that fits onto the front of the reflector. I used these recently on a shoot that I did where I wanted different color backgrounds. We used the blue, we used the yellow, and what I did was, because I got two of these kits, I just doubled up on the gel just to give a stronger yellow color. So what I'll do is at the end of this, I'll just put up a couple of the images that we shot on that shoot. It's not a magnetic one, it just clips nicely onto the actual front of the reflector, doesn't fall off, and as I said, it's quite effective on that. The actual grid actually pushes on the inside of the actual reflector. You get a little tab that you can pull out. It does fit in there quite tight, which will actually give you that nice sort of controlled narrow beam. You can get these reflectors, and you can get the 8300 Pros if you don't have any of those. You can actually go to godox.co.za. They have an online store there which you can add to your cart, check out, and get it delivered to your premises. I found these a very worthwhile attachment, especially for these lights. You can use it even when shooting into an umbrella. If I don't have a modifier on these lights, these things are mainly on. The only time I think I use the standard reflectors is when I'm actually going out on location and I have the protection cover over the top of the lights, but they're in the bag, and then switch over to these or soft boxes or beauty dishes. So let me know what you think. Give these a try. Just let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Do yourself a favor, go and grab this. You won't regret it. Cheers, guys.